Hello, guys. Today I want to show you how to make phone calls on iPhone. To make phone calls on iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to look for the call center. That is the calling icon. So if you check the left bottom here, the left bottom corner here, you are going to see the icon over there. Tap on this icon. So once you tap on the phone icon, so you can see if you look at the bottom here, we have the favorite, we have recent, we have contacts, we have keypad, and we have voice mail. So once you tap on the first one, let's start from the favorite. This favorite means if you want to, if you have somebody you used to call often and often, I want to favorite the person, you can actually tap on this. If you look at the top right corner, you're going to see a plus icon over there. Just tap on this plus symbol. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to select the person you want to add to your favorite. So let's cancel that. So that is for favorite. So for recent, what recent means is this. Recent means your recent calls. The people that called you recently or the people that you called recently. So this is where you are going to see the people that you called maybe yesterday, day before yesterday, or today. So this is where you can get all the recent calls you made. So that is for recent. And the next one here we have the contact. The contact is where you can see all the contact on your iPhone. All your contact on your iPhone, this is where you have them. So if you want to call anybody on your iPhone and you want to look for the person's name, or you want to look for the person's number, just come here, tap on contact, then you can now scroll down to look for the name of the person you want to call. So that is for contact on this. So the next one here we have the keypad. Let's say you want to call a new number that is not saved to your phone. So what do you want to do? Let's say somebody gave you a new number recently and you want to call the person. This is where you are going to come to. You are going to come once you go to your to the call center, then you come down here to keypad. So on this keypad, this is where you get to enter the person's number. You can say let's just enter a random number here. You can see this is where you have to enter the person's number. So once you enter the person's number here, you just tap on this green calling icon. Once you tap on it, it will call the person, it will call the number. So let's do an example here. Let's call this number. For example, let's just make a practical example. So we have successfully entered the number we want to call. So at the bottom here, you are going to see this green calling icon. Tap on it.